is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today what I did was I went out and I went turkey hunting this morning. Fortunately for me, the hunt was successful. Unfortunately for you guys, I did not bring a camera with me because I didn't think it was going to go as well as it went. I ended up calling in 4 birds, 4 immature male birds, which we consider jakes, and they came into about 10 yards. And I took one of them. And anyways, guys, I got some film for you after the shot on my iPhone. I hope it's not too grainy or poor quality. I'll roll that. That's a nice little beard on him. Probably like 3-4 inch maybe, I'm not sure. Just one beard. Not much on the spurs, but that's kind of to be expected with a Jake. He's obviously got the 2-size fan, whatever you want to call it, the fan with the step up there. He's definitely an immature bird, but to call him into 8 yards that fast and make a good morning out of it, I'm real happy with it. And I got the bird all breasted out and everything, and I got some footage of that for you. As you can see, a pretty good looking turkey. It's definitely an immature bird. He's got like a 5-inch beard on him, and he's got the fan that also, as you can tell, it steps up there, which definitely means he's an immature bird for sure. He's got pretty small spurs, nothing too crazy. I got the tag here on him. That's the one that I put on him out in the woods. And then this is the one that they give you when you go to register him. So how I'm gonna start on this bird is I'm just gonna grab one of my knives here. These knives are definitely overkill, but that's what I'm gonna use for him. You don't need a long knife like a fillet knife or anything like that to do it. That is for sure. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start by turning the bird over here. And I'll find right on this bone right here where there's no feathers, they're worn away or whatever. So I'm gonna start by taking just a small cut right here, just enough to get 2 fingers into the bird. And all I'm gonna do is, you don't have to really like cut the skin away, you can almost just pull it away. So I'm just gonna start by pulling the skin off of the breast meat here, just like that. And this also helps because you shouldn't get too many feathers on top of the meat, because that can be a pain to clean up as well. Press down on the legs there. Get rid of all these little feathers that you can. We'll also be able to clean them up more inside. But yeah, these things can be kind of a hassle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start by the top here. I'm gonna just make sure that I hug right up against this bone as best that I can to try and get all the meat. And then I'm just working my way down towards the back of the bird. And then from there we'll work our way forward. Right here is the turkey tenderloin that sits below the breast meat there. That's a really, obviously, tenderloin, really tender cut of meat. That's stomach stuff, other stuff like that. You really don't want to puncture in there while you're doing this. Alright guys, so here's our turkey breast off the left side of the bird here. And as you can see, it's got a little bit of feathers on it, a little bit of fat from my cutting, but I'll just clean that up inside once I get in and rinse it off. It's going to be the same thing for this side, guys. I also have this heart right here, and that's something new to me. I've never tried a turkey heart, but I guess it's as edible as any other piece of meat off the bird. And I'm just gonna bring it inside now and clean it up and everything. Alright guys, so I got one of the breasts of the turkey cut into strips, and I also have the heart of the turkey cut up. And actually the heart of the turkey is a lot darker than I expected of a meat. It's a lot darker than the breast meat, that's for sure. What I'm going to be putting them into is just a flour with some Montreal chicken seasoning and some ground cayenne pepper. And then I'm just going to be frying them in some light oil, just like a pan fry. That's all I do. I got the heart all cooked up here. Here's half of it. It looks good, and I still got the breast meat going. I know how that's gonna taste. This is the main point of interest, so let's see how it tastes. That tastes exactly like a duck. That's weird, actually. That tastes exactly like a mallard or a wood duck or something like that. That's strange, but it's actually really good. I'm actually gonna grab the other half here. That's really good, guys. I know this video wasn't relating to fishing, but I hope that you guys understand. I do a lot of different things outdoors, and I want to make some videos about it. As for now, this is where those videos are gonna go, so please, I hope you understand. I appreciate you guys watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to hit that thumbs up button, and also hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos from me in the future. As always, guys, remember, live free, fish more.